pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey guys, it's Karen. How are you, my gems? If you're new, don't forget to say hello and hit that subscribe button before you leave. All right, so I did the iBeauty unboxing subscription box, brand new, last month, and they tricked me because they're actually a sister company of Glow Addict, and it didn't show that in the email when it came to me and I first bought it, and then we figured out it's a product of Glow Addict. You guys said, let's try it another month. So now it says Glow Addict Beauty Box Shop iBeauty. I don't think they can just figure out a name for this. So anyhow, we got an eyeshadow palette in here. This was $13.99 a month. This is the eyeshadows. There is a part of this video where you can see me doing a look with this and telling you my thoughts on this. Okay. Then we got 3 pairs of lashes. It says they're vegan and cruelty free. They look okay, but we're going to try them on. There were 2 variations to this box. I'll put a picture of what the other one looked like in here. Then we got a set of tweezers. These actually look like pretty decent tweezers. Okay. Then we got another sponge, and it's a micro sponge, so I really do like these. I've used them before. All right, so that's what we got in here. We got the sponge, the tweezers, the eyelashes, and the eyeshadow palette. And before we get to the part where I put on the eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how these lashes work. Wow. Okay, they are really long. If you like long lashes, okay, these are on the more natural side and they're fluffy. These are on a little bit of a heavier side where they're a little bit thicker. And these here are even thicker than that. And the bands get thicker as the eyelashes get thicker. All right, so let me try with these tweezers since they gave them to me. Pulling, oh, this one comes off pretty easy. What you want to look for, oh, it's kind of stiff. You want to look to see that it bends, but there's a lot of glue down here where it shouldn't be. It should just be on that band. And I don't know how this is going to work. All right, I do need to trim them. Okay, so okay, yeah, I've got like stuff in my eyes. I'm going to trim off this part here, then measure it to my eye. Okay, and then we're going to take my favorite glue. Where is it? I just had it. Okay, the Igloo. That is my favorite. We are going to put a thin layer on this eyelash, focusing on more on each end because that's where they have the tendency to lift. Then we're going to take these brand new tweezers. We're going to let this dry. Lord help me. Sometimes cheap stuff is not always that good. However, I do like the sponge. And we might get some uses out of these lashes. We'll see how they go on and how they fit. They've got to fit over the eye. Obviously, the eye is curved. Once the glue starts to dry and change a little bit of its color is when you can, and you want to make sure you get it right. Don't put it on beforehand because it'll just slide on all over the place and you just be like, oh gosh, here we are. And you might have an eyelash over here or something. Okay, start in the middle. Place it where you want it. And then press it. press it down. Wow, that's a really long eyelash. I'm gonna do the other one. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so let me give you my thoughts. I got the eyelashes on. I will probably only use these in videos. They definitely are on the cheaper side, but I can get use out of them. I just don't think that they would last all day. So my overall thoughts on this entire box is I won't be getting it again. I'd rather get the Hank and Henry. I get more quality lashes in there, and I get either a liquid lip with it, 3 pairs of lashes, liquid lip, or an eyeliner of some sort every month for $23. This was $13. I got the eyeshadow palette, the 3 pairs of lashes, the tweezers, which are pretty good, and then I got this micro sponge. Overall, these are the 2 things that I like, which I could get on my own for $13. So I definitely won't be getting this box again next month, but I do want your thoughts because you guys were like, all right, go for it, get it again, you know? I also have a clip that I'm going to show you of using the eyeshadow palette. And guys, I don't like it. But if you want to see it, I'll go ahead and put it in here. And all right guys, so let's take a closer look at this palette. Oakland Neutral Eyeshadow Palettes. Now I've looked at the back. It has a 24-month expiration date, and it's got some basic ingredients you're going to find in any eyeshadow: talc, magnesium, polyethylene, certain things. So basically, the more preservatives in the eyeshadow, obviously the longer the shelf life. Okay, so you want to take that into consideration when you're using an eyeshadow palette. But being that this is my second box with them, and I gave away the first palette, I'm going to go ahead and try this palette. This is mostly neutrals. There's a black though. I love a good black. So I've got MAC Paint Pot on my eyes, and I'm going to go in with a Jaclyn Hill 35 brush. And let's just take Naked Look, which there's some kickback in the pan. It's a very light beige, and we're just going to go over the eye with it. See how this has more of like an eyeshadow base, like setting the MAC Paint Pot. That's what we're doing, basically. You might hear Kayla and the dogs in the background, and Amber has her friend here, just so you know. Wow, there's a lot of kickback. Okay, so you've got Milk Chocolate, Warm Soil. There's like a lot of the same color in here. At least that's how it looks to me. Milk Chocolate looks really gray. We're gonna try it. Yeah, that is a gray, and it's not blending as smoothly as what I would like it to. It just kind of plopped right where I put it, and it's staying there. All right, so we'll put it on the other eye, and we'll go lighter. Kayla's happy today, guys. You'll be happy to know that. She's happy today. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the pigment is very light, but these are also light colors. That's definitely should not be named Milk Chocolate. Maybe they meant maybe they screwed up, and this was supposed to be Warm Soil because it looks like a grayish soil, and this here is supposed to be Milk Chocolate because that's a brown. But we're gonna try that brown over it and see what happens. Still using the blending brush. And I didn't pick up a new one because these are pretty much the same kind of colors. And really, I'm just testing this out because this is $13.99 a month, this subscription. And I figured we might as well see how good this stuff is. Huh. Okay, so now I'm going to take more of a detailed brush. Something with more control. Let's go in with this one here. And should we do the black on the outside of the eye? Let's try the Warm Soil with this one. Let's see. It's a light brown. Definitely goes on nicely with this brush. This is an Eco Tools brush. I don't know. Let's see if we can build it up into the crease and how well it'll blend out. Of course, obviously I'll need to use a blending brush for that, but I'm just gonna pack in this color right here. And it's really, the pigment, not a whole lot. Gonna be honest with you. Making sure there's no separation in pigment here, because we want to try and get a nice look out of this. And this is more affordable. You'll see the unboxing portion of this video if you've chosen to watch that, and you'll see the prices and what they gave me. There was 2 variations of this box. All right, so to me, these are not high quality, obviously. Will they get the job done? Yeah, if you feel like playing with them. Okay, make sure we do some extra blending here. Yeah, definitely extra blending. All right. What I'm going to do now is put on some eyeliner. Do I have really use? This is a gel pencil. This is like a charcoal gray. And it's very creamy. It's my first time using it. I'm not even sure where I got it from. xoxo Perfecto's Gel Pencil Eyeliner, and it says black. Okay. Let's see how it does. Huh. All right. Now, let's grab a brush where I can go underneath the eye. A stiffy will do. Actually, we'll go on with this one right here. Let's grab some setting spray for this. I usually do when I do my under eye to help avoid fallout and messing up my makeup. And we'll go into that warm soil and we're gonna see how it works with setting spray. Okay, so the pigment is a tad bit darker. Ooh. And did I mess that up? Yeah, gonna have to fix that. Okay. Never had that happen before. The color like just fell off and went where it wanted to go. That is pretty crazy. You see that? How it's doing that? Yikes! Wow. It's coming off pretty easily. Okay, let's get something to blend it, and then we may have to put concealer underneath. Let's go with this brush at an angle and see if we can blend that out. Most of the pigment is disappearing. For sure. And I definitely need to go back with some concealer now. Or actually, did I use? Yeah, let me see. Today I went in with the Kat Von D contour palette, and I've been using this shade right here for the under eye just to lighten it up a little bit instead of concealer. So that's what I'm going to use to kind of fix this, because that definitely did not blend the way that I was hoping it would. Okay. Gosh. Okay, so working with the shimmer. There's lots of shimmers in here. I'm going to go ahead and grab an Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. Sorry, guys. Oh my goodness. I totally didn't even... Yeah. All right. Let's go in with Magic Touch. That's what it looks like. Oh wow, it's chalky. Like for real chalky. Very chalky. It's not really a shimmer. It's chalky. Oh, oh my. Okay. And there's fallout. It's falling in my eyes. And I think no matter how hard I try to blend everything perfectly, I think that it's just patchy. It's all just very, very patchy. Okay, so I'm done with that shadow palette. Wait, we're good there. We're gonna do a brow bone highlight here. We're gonna grab another stiffy and the Jaclyn Hill palettes. And we're going to go in with, let's do Gleam. And we'll put that underneath the brow bone. Crazy. Okay, so let's try an inner corner highlight. I have to wash my brushes again. I'm gonna need setting spray. Going in with Gleam again. There we go. And you always have the option to swoop it up. Just a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna do some eyeliner. And then we're gonna go back to the unboxing and see what's in there. And I think there's lashes, so we'll try them out too, although I'm kind of scared now. So I'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, so I have on both the eyelashes. I don't think that these would stay all day, to be perfectly honest with you. They're okay. I'll get use out of them, but probably for just using them for videos, to be honest with you. They are super, super long, which is not bad if you like a long eyelash. But overall, my thoughts on this box is, well,
nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swam against your tide. It keeps pulling me in.